Everyone, welcome back to my channel RMB Tech. আশা ৰাখিছো আপোনালোক সকলোৱে ভালে আছে আৰু আজিৰ এই ভিডিঅ'টোত আমি আলোচনা কৰিব লৈছো ৰিক্ৰুটমেন্ট এডভাৰটাইজমেন্ট দুটা ওলাইছে অলৰেডি মই যেটো এটা দিলো এটো কাৰণে দুটা বুলি কৈছো আপোনালোকে দেখা পাইছে জুনিয়ৰ ইঞ্জিনিয়াৰ সিভিল ওলাইছে আৰু ডাইৰেক্টৰ অফ ইকনমিক্স এণ্ড ষ্টেটিষ্টিক্স আন্ডাৰ ট্ৰান্সফৰমেশ্যন এণ্ড ডেভেলপমেন্ট ডিপাৰ্টমেন্টত ওলাইছে আৰু লগতে ওলাইছে ইনস্পেক্টৰ অফ ষ্টেটিষ্টিক্স Inspector of Statistics or video to ma already published korisu to azir ei video to ami duta aru some advertisement gotekini details to eta besi deri nokore video to arambho korwa hok to eta first advertisement to ami ebar discuss korila hok name of the post ulaise junior engineer civil under the joint cadre of public works roads department PWRDN public works building and NH department number of post ulaise kiman huge vacancy ulaise apnaloke sok 650 vacancy ulaise open category ulaise 396 tare reserved for women category karne ase 119 reserved for OBC and MOBC karne ulaise 157 reserved for women category 47 OBC reserved for OBC MOBC T tribe and Adivasi community teolokor karne ulaise total 20 ta tar reserved for women category 6 ta SC babe ulaise 27 reserved for women category 8 ST planar babe ulaise 34 reserved for women category 10 ST hillsor babe ulaise 16 reserved for women category 5 total ulaise 650 tare reserved for women category karne ase 195 bahut huge vacancy ulaise jiokol eligible candidate tar karne bahute bhal khobor grade pay is 14000 to 70000 grade pay 8700 pay band 2 aru eligibility criteria kini moi ebar pohi disu PRC থাকিব লাগিব নহলে এমপ্লয়মেন্ট এক্সচেঞ্জৰ সাৰ্টিফিকেট থাকিব লাগিব নেসেসাৰি জিবিলাক ডকুমেন্টস আপোনালোকে আপলোড কৰিব লাগিব candidates must have 3 years diploma in civil engineering and planning oblique construction technology from any technical institute recognized by AICTE relevant jiman documents ase gotekini আপোনালোকে আপলোড কৰিব লাগিব আৰু এটা important point the diploma course must be regular course Diploma course obtained through distance mode of education by whatever name call will not be considered. Regular hobo laibo distance kora hole no hobo minimum 21 years or maximum dise teoloke 40 and not more than 40 ta mane STSC kane 45 OBC kane 43 teloka PW kini jeto government rule etu mate teoloke pabo aru age limit kane class 10 ba class 12 or mark sheet ba certificate hole hobo aru important eta point jiokol government employee hoy tealoke kintu NOC produce koribo laibo no objection certificate dibo lagibo aru small family nom form a khon jikon apnaloke APSC website at forms ot goi pabo download koribo paribo starting date for online application 5th February 2025 closing date for online application 4th March 2025 aru last date for payment of application fee 6th of March 2025 General abade teolokor karne general babe jeto hobo fees 297.20 OBC MOBC babe 197.20 SC ST BPL PWD karne 47.20 ekini hoise fees baki how to apply apnaloke sabo nijor registration koribo laibo jekol byakti notun teoloke prothom bar ar jekole already APSC karne agote apply korisile APSC website ot teoloke direct login koribo paribo photo size signature kenekoi payment koribo lagibo gotekini likha ase apnaloke ebar sai lebo ar important point bla go through kori lebo moi just important jikini kobo lage hekini koi disu aru Guwahati karne kun kekhon district cover hobo Kokrajhar Tezpur Nagaon Jorhat aru Silchar ekini asle important a advertisement tot eta ami next advertisement to ebar sai lo ahok advertisement hoise name of the post Director of Economics and Statistics under Transformation and Development Department, Government of Assam. Eta post ase. Director of post. Eta ase open category karne ase. Yat apnaloke dekha paise open category karne. 30,000 to 1,10,000 pay scale. Grade pay dibo 16,900. Pay band hoise 4. Aru important point kita ma pohi disu educational qualification dise at least second class master degree in statistics mathematics economics from a recognized university or its equivalent or nohole degree of recognized university with mathematics statistics economics as a subject and a diploma recognized by government obtained after at least 2 years of postgraduate training in statistics. Valid documents আপোনালোকে আপলোড কৰিব লাগিব নোট তেওঁলোকে দি দিছে doctorate or other research degree in statistics mathematics and economics is desirable compulsory নহয় কিন্তু desirable হয় আৰু not less than 10 years of experience minimum 10 বছৰ experience থাকিব লাগিব administrative experience for not less than 5 years in a responsible capacity এইখিনি আপোনালোকে এবাৰ চাই ল'ব Online start hobo 4 February 2025 4th February then closing 5th of March 2025 our last date for payment of application fees 7th of March 2025 general babe same fees agor video tut amar jekini kolo agor advertisement tot hekine baki gote kotha kini same thakibo aru jodi video to apnalke informative boli habise tetiale eta like kori dibo channel to subscribe koribo na parbo logote video to jiman pare himan share kori dibo আজিলৈ আহো বাই বাই টেক কেয়ার জয় হিন্দ